My name is Seth Burgett. I'm the CEO and founder of Gateway Bronco. Our mission statement as a company is to deliver the best driving, the safest vintage Bronco in the world. We've been called by Top Gear UK the Singer design of Broncos. Vintage vehicles and reimagined vehicles will all have some type of challenge over time, and the clients that we serve, they simply don't have the time or patience to take care of their vehicles, so we do all of this for them as a white glove experience. People ask me, what does it mean to have a flying doctor? It is someone that's a field service technician that knows and understands the client base, their needs, and understands the product exceptionally well. The flying doctor goes wherever the vehicle is, takes care of the vehicle, fixes it, gives a video or picture to the client, says it's all taken care of, and flies home. That's as simple as we can make it. They text our field service agent, tells them what happened. The field service agent figures out how to resolve their issue, and it gets done. It's just that easy. How do we decide to send out a flying doctor? It's a three-tiered approach. The first tier, if we can fix the vehicle locally to the client, that's what we'll do. And our field service agent takes care of everything, including transportation to the repair facility. Number two, the flying doctor will go out, take care of the vehicle wherever it is, including alongside the road if necessary on an emergency. And three, if it's a significant item where the vehicle needs to be repaired at the factory, we will deliver it with our truck, trailer, and driver back to the factory, make the repair, recertify the vehicle, and get it back to the client's driveway, zero cost to the client. Our 3, 5, 7, even 10-year flying doctor warranty is above and beyond. It's industry leading. Most providers in our category provide no warranty whatsoever. So we are providing industry-leading product, industry-leading service, and industry-leading care post-delivery, where others may provide no warranty whatsoever. Are there limits to where we'll travel for warranty work? And I'm going to say absolutely no. From Costa Rica to Portugal to the UAE, any of those locations, we will travel and we will take care of the client. Each one of our field service agents has a passport. They're ready to fly on a moment's notice if needed. I've got one great example. There's a family on vacation in Moab. They've got a four-door Bronco, the very first four-door Bronco we built. It has a supercharger, and they're really running it in Moab. And so it overheated. A fan went out. Our field service technician was on a plane and on site in less than 24 hours. Something like 16 hours later, he was there, had it fixed, and had the family vacation back on track.
They delivered the car and I said, I'm gonna go on a 1,000-mile road trip with it the next day. Seth said, go for it. So we did, and it was amazing, wonderful, memorable experience for my family and I. Had a couple of things come up, and the next morning, Gateway had a field service technician on a plane flying to me in the desert, fix exactly what was needed to be done, something very simple, but the responsiveness of that, and the communication surrounding it was unbelievable.
It's a great example of when necessary, we'll immediately stop everything, go to site, take care of the client, and get them back into living their life again, improving the quality of life. When we build a Bronco, we know it's not just a truck. It's something special. It's personal. We have built and delivered Broncos around the world. And because you're a part of the Gateway Bronco family, we take care and service that vehicle anywhere on the planet. We build every Bronco to stand the test of time. And we back it with service that goes the distance.